The movie Welcome is one of the finest movies of Bollywood, hilarious. It's Nana Patekar and Anil Kapoor, both of them are brothers, and they have a sister, Sanjana, Katrina Kaif, who is in love with Rajiv. But Rajiv is a very simpleton guy, and his parents, his uncle, Ghungru, Paresh Rawal, and wife, they have objection for Rajiv getting married in a family of dons, goons, because both of them are goons. Uday, who is Nana Patekar, and even Anil Kapoor. Both of them are brothers, and both of them, Majnu, his name is Anil Kapoor. Both of them are gangsters. So he has objection, but somehow Nana Patekar just fakes a story about his helplessness, and he presents himself in a very gullible manner, as if marriage will not happen, the entire fragment of the family will break. so after all, they are about to get married. But here on the other side, there's one hilarious scene where Nana Patekar has been actually asked by all he's been asked by Vijay Raj, who is a director. He is directing a movie, and he has taken Nana Patekar. He has chucked out Sunil Shetty, and he has taken Nana Patekar instead. And the way there are takes and retakes, and the way he is supposed to sit on the horse, Nana Patekar, and he's very scared of horses, and he has to come and actually beg in front. He has to come and meet the girl's father, and then he just falls from the horse, and he gets on his knees and as if he's begging for his hand, for her hand. So the movie was all, and here Vijay Raj got very angry because Majnu, Anil Kapoor, was talking to someone in a loud voice, because of which he lost his temper, and there was total commotion. There was total fight and all, and the movie was called off. And Feroz Khan is the godfather of all these. And there's a very good song where everyone is wearing red, and the songs are really good. Even other song with Majnu and Nana Patekar, along with the new actress, which she has been taken for the movie. So it's a must watch, and the dialogue delivery, especially from Anil Kapoor's side, is really worth watching, and you will like it. I hope everyone will like this movie.